So this is how demonstrating collecting firearms evidence in crime scene. So first, we're gonna use mask. We're gonna put mask in to avoid contaminated in subject. Then we're gonna put gloves. Uh, the subject. So be sure that this is unloaded. First is we're gonna hold it in the partly gonna contaminate the subject. And we release the magazine. Then we check this if this is unloaded. So we're gonna put it in safety. Then next is we tagging the subject. Next is the magazine. Next we gonna put there in to avoid contaminated subject. Gonna wrap. We're gonna put in so this is how to demonstrate collecting hair evidence in crime scene. So first, this is the subject, and we gonna put the hair and we to put in there and the center of the envelope, and we gonna pull that. So if we're done folding and we want to tagging the evidence to avoid contaminating. So this is how to collect hair evidence in crime scene. Okay, so this is how to demonstrate liquid blood. So first thing first thing to do, you want to use some surgical gloves, and if you collect liquid blood, you want to use this one piece of cotton buds, and you want to put it on the liquid blood, so like this. And then if you finish to put the cotton buds in the liquid blood, you wait until it dry. So if it dry, you want to put it in the envelope that you imugi pilo. So first you want to put it on the envelope if it dry. So you put it in the center, and then this one to close. this. So this is how to demonstrate liquid blood. Morning guys, this is how to demonstrate dry blood. First thing to do, before you collect the blood, dry blood, you want to use some surgical gloves, and you want to use this one piece of band. So first, if you collect the blood, you want to this collect dry blood, and if you collect this, you want to put it in the envelope, and you want to put the cotton buds in the center, and you want to close to he was contaminate the subject. So this is how to demonstrate collecting dry blood.